Yes, welcome back to the channel. I'm glad you're here today. Today we're going to talk about why it's so important to invest your money into the market as long as you can, because the longer it's in there, the more money you're going to make overall long term, because your money is going to grow exponentially. Also, the reason why I'm looking to the right is because I'm recording on my phone. I found out that my phone takes better video than my 2016 GoPro, so we are gonna roll with the phone from now on. Actually, today I'm gonna teach you the easiest way to become a millionaire, and it's not even a joke. For real, you can become a millionaire, and it's not even that hard. And we'll go into that in just a second, but for now, I will highly encourage you to please like and subscribe the video. Go ahead and just do it because it helps me out greatly. And I have a challenge that I don't think that you can do, but if you do it, your reward will be great. If we can get to 35 subscribers, we have 28 right now. If we can get to 35 by the end of the month, that's 10 days from now, I believe. If we can get to 35 by the end of the month, I will eat an entire egg. I will literally crack open an egg and eat the entire thing raw in the next video, but you won't know if we do it until the next video. So tune in next time. Be sure to keep up with the channel and find out if I have to eat an egg. I guess you'll have to watch for the next video. Oh, whoops, sorry, I don't make the rules. All right, but more importantly, let's get into the topic of today's video, which is growing your money exponentially and having your money in the market as long as you can. So today, we're gonna look at some examples of people who decide to start investing at different times in their life, and also how much money they put in the market depending on their income levels and their levels of savings. So let's go ahead and get into that. Today we're going to be using an investment calculator you can find on Dave Ramsey's website. It's totally free, so if you want to plug in these numbers yourself, you can just go to Dave Ramsey's website and find his investment calculator. It's pretty easy to do. So let's go ahead and do it. All right, our first example is going to be a man. Our first example is going to be a man named Bill. All right, now Bill makes $40,000 a year, which is decent. It's a decent salary. I feel like that's a good starting salary if you're coming out of college, and it's definitely an attainable salary if you don't go to college. But I feel like 40K is a good number to start with. Let's say Bill is also 40 years old. Okay. Let's say he's 40 years old. He didn't choose to start investing early. He decided to put it off until later. He didn't have enough money. He didn't have the free money to start investing. So he said, I'm going to do it later. And he turned 40 and he thinks this is the time he should start investing. Let's say Bill, I think, is his name Bill? I already forgot. Whatever. Let's say he plans to retire at 65. Okay, 65 is like the average age to retire. I would say that's a good number to shoot for. So let's just say he hasn't invested anything at all. And so he thinks, okay, I make 40K a year, I have a lot of expenses and I can only put in $250 a month into the market, okay? So every month he's gonna put $250. Now, the average market return is 8% over the long term. So let's see how much money he'll end up when he retires at 65. $239,000, okay? $239,000. 75 is what he put in. That's the 250 each month. And then the 164,000 is interest gained on the investment. That's crazy. That's a ton of money. You can obviously see it grows exponentially with compound interest. His investment probably goes something like this, okay? But the compound interest goes all the way up. That's what compound interest does. But guys, $240,000 is not enough to retire on. You could probably live on 6 years with that, 7 maybe. So let's look at Bill's second scenario. Let's say he makes the same amount of money, $40,000 a year, but he starts investing at 25, okay? 25, maybe at a mentor, maybe he just found the right resources and he started investing. And let's say he started to do the same thing. He wanted to invest $250 a month until he wanted to retire at 65. All right, 8% per year. Now you probably think, okay, this 40 cut in half almost, it's probably going to be around 500K. No, it's almost $900,000. Now it's obviously due to compound interest. All right, now we're going to go on to another person. This is Bill's friend, okay? Bill's friend's name is Dave, all right? Now, let's say Dave started investing at 40 as well. Let's say Dave got a really good job. He worked his way up in the company. He changed jobs a few times. He started making 60K, all right? 60K, let's say $60,000 a year. Now, everyone says that you should be saving 20% of your annual income. That should be going into a retirement account or a investment account. So 20% of that's going to be about $1,000 per month. At 8%, let's see. He's going to be making almost $1 million. He just started investing at 40. At 40 for 25 years. $1 million, okay? $1 million. But here's the thing. He started at 40. What if he started at 25? Let's just see the math, okay? Any guesses? Any guesses what this is going to be? All right, let's see. 25, remember, tired, $60, $1,000 a month, 8%. $3.5 million. That's money you're gonna want to have, okay? But look, I get it. Saving $1,000 starting at 25 per month is hard to do. That's a lot of money. It's hard to do if you don't make enough income or if you have a spending problem. Because if it's a spending problem, then it's something you're gonna have to really cut back on your spending. You're gonna have to kind of go into your finances and see, what can I cut back on? Where am I splurging more than I should? This can all be solved with a budget, and I actually have made a video over how to make a budget, how to set a budget, and all things budget related. You can do that in the top right corner. That's where that video is going to be, so check that out. All right, now for the last scenario. Let's say someone is 25 years old, okay? Let's say they're 25. Let's say that on average, they're able to put in about $3,000 into the market. $10.5 million. That's a lot of money. Sheesh. So just something to think about. Listen, this is not financial advice. This is just something that I'm doing to plan for my future. And it's something that I highly encourage someone to do, okay? Because you need to do some things for yourself. Your future self is going to thank you so much when you're sitting on that bag, okay? You're sitting on that couch made of bags, and you're just going to be chilling. You're not going to be worried about anything. You're going to be able to spend time with your family, your grandkids, if you have any. If you don't want any, that's fine. You can be alone with your wife, husband, whatever, or no one. That's up to you because you have the money. But yeah, this is the easiest way to become a millionaire by the time you die, okay? It's simple as that. You don't have to start this multi-million-dollar business. You don't have to grind every day as hard as you can, 12 hours to be a millionaire. You can just plan for the future, invest smart and often, and you'll get there. And it's a lot easier than people think. So yeah, that's the video. Please like and subscribe if you like this kind of content. I think it's pretty chill. This is stuff that I'm very passionate about, and I really want other people to be passionate about it too, or at least think about it, because your future self will thank you so much. And again, 35 subscribers. I eat an egg. Will they do it? Will they do it? I don't know. Tune in next time I post a video to see. But all right, guys, that's all we have for today. So take it easy. Have a good night. Peace. Sheesh.